In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Accept Payments area in your Wix dashboard and locate the Square Merchant Providers section. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're on your main Wix dashboard control screen. This is the central area where you manage your website settings, business tools, and account options. Before moving forward, it helps to confirm that you're signed into the correct Wix account and that the dashboard for the right site is already open, especially if you manage more than one website. Once you're on the main dashboard, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the sidebar which contains the main navigation categories for your Wix site. This sidebar is where Wix groups together the most important tools and configuration areas, so it's the starting point for almost any setup task you want to complete. From there, scroll down through the sidebar options until you find settings. Depending on your screen size or the current layout of your dashboard, you may need to scroll a little more to see it clearly. When you locate settings, click to open it. This section contains the broader configuration options that control how your site functions behind the scenes. After the settings area opens, look for the option labeled Accept Payments. Go ahead and select that. This is the section where Wix organizes payment-related tools, including the providers you can connect to your site for transactions. If you're setting up online payments or reviewing your available payment methods, this is the exact place you need to be. Once you're inside Accept Payments, scan the page for the payment provider listings. Your goal here is to locate the Square Merchant Provider line item or card block. Wix may display payment providers in a list, a grid, or a set of expandable cards, so take a moment to look carefully through the available options. You're specifically looking for the Square entry among those provider choices. When you find the Square provider section, you've reached the correct location. This is the area that tracks or represents the Square Merchant Provider within Wix's payment setup interface. As a quick tip, if the page contains multiple provider options, move slowly and read each card title carefully so you don't overlook it. Interface layouts can vary slightly over time, but the navigation path remains